Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Harid Haikal bin Muhammad Hafiz. Before we start our presentation, I would like to show you table of content of this presentation. The first one is problem statement. The second one is the graph constructor. The third one is velocities and age in the graph. And the last one is the algorithm used to solve the problem. Problem statement. The Express Bus Association company wants to know the ticket price and the distance for each trip from the 5 cities in Peninsular Malaysia. Each trip from these major cities has a different ticket price depending on the distance traveled. Also, to find out the shortest path between the two cities with the result of our project, it can make it easier for the Express Bus Association company to know the travel ticket price and travel distance from each of the cities.
My name is Muhammad Nurul Iman Saliuddin, and I will explain about the graph model. The starting from vertices of Johor Bahru bus station to Pahang is RM30 ringgit, and from Johor Bahru to Kuala Lumpur is RM35 ringgit, and from Pahang to Kuala Lumpur is 20 ringgit, from Kuala Lumpur to Pahang is 20 ringgit. From Pahang to Negeri Sembilan is RM30 ringgit. And from Pahang to Melaka is also 30 ringgit. And Kuala Lumpur to Negeri Sembilan is 6 ringgit. And Kuala Lumpur to Melaka is 20 ringgit. And the last one is from Melaka to Negeri Sembilan is RM 10 ringgit.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faris bin Muhammad Noor, and today I would like to show the solution to this problem using Dijkstra algorithm. First, I'll choose any vertex from this graph. From the problem, we must choose either Johor Bahru or Negeri Sembilan as the vertex. So I will choose Johor Bahru as the vertex and I will label it as 0. Okay. Next, we will choose other vertex near to Johor Bahru, which is Pahang and Kuala Lumpur. So, I will calculate the price for Johor Bahru to Pahang, which is 0 plus 30. 0 plus 30 equal to 30. So, we label Pahang as 30. Next, we calculate the price from Johor Bahru to Kuala Lumpur, which is 0 plus 35. So 0 plus 35 is equal to 35. So we label Kuala Lumpur as 35. Okay, after that we mark Johor Bahru X. So counted as visited. Next, we will choose the lowest price as the current vertex. So compare 35 to 30. 30 is lower than 35. So we choose Pahang as the current vertex. So we count from Johor Bahru to Pahang to Negeri Sembilan. So 30 plus 30 is 30 plus 30 is equal to 60. So we will label Negeri Sembilan as 60. After that, we count from Johor Bahru to Pahang to Kuala Lumpur is 30 plus 20. So 30 plus 20 is equal to 50. So we label since 35 is lower than 50, so we keep the price to 35. Next, we count from Johor Bahru to Pahang to Melaka, which is 30 plus 30 equal to 60. So we label Melaka as 60. Okay. Now, we mark Pahang as visited. Okay. So we choose the lowest price from the tree to become the current vertex. So as we see now, Kuala Lumpur is the current vertex. So we count from Johor Bahru to Kuala Lumpur and to Negeri Sembilan. So we add 35 plus 6. So 35 plus 6 is 41, equal to 41. So since 41 is lower than 60, so we change Negeri Sembilan to 41. Okay, next we count from Johor Bahru to Kuala Lumpur to Melaka. Okay, so 35 plus 20 is 35 plus 20 is equal to 55. So we change Melaka to 55. So we mark Kuala Lumpur as visited. Now we will choose the lowest price as to be the current vertex. Now the lowest price is Negeri Sembilan and we have reached our destination. So the lowest price using the Dijkstra method from Johor Bahru to Negeri Sembilan is through Johor Bahru, through Kuala Lumpur to Negeri Sembilan. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you.
And the last one is conclusion. The conclusion that can be found in this project is that the Express Bus Association Company may know how much the ticket price and the distance for each trip from the 5 cities in Peninsular Malaysia, which is shown in the graph, namely Johor Bahru, Kuala Lumpur, Melaka, Negeri Sembilan and Pahang. As in the graph shown, the ticket price from Kuala Lumpur to Negeri Sembilan is RM6. This status indicates its travel distance is very short compared to the others. Indeed, this would help and facilitate for Express Bus Association Company.